What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of the hype. So yo, today I am back with another video. So quick, let me say something real quick. If you're watching this on King Kamau TV or King Kamau, whichever one you're watching on, make sure that you are subscribed to both channels, King Kamau TV and King Kamau. Because I will be posting back and forth on both channels. If you're not watching, if you don't see any videos coming on King Kamau, check out King Kamau TV, because videos could be posting on that channel as well. So I'm just going to be posting back and forth on both channels. You ready? See me? So follow my Instagram at KingKamau_official. The link for my Instagram is in the description as well. It's on the screen, the name on the screen right now. It's gonna pop up. So make sure you follow my Instagram, guys. So remember to follow my Instagram, subscribe to both channels, turn on your post notifications, and very important, comment another video idea that you guys would like to see me do. I don't want to speak and make this introduction very long, because you know, I realize that most of you guys don't really like when the introduction is very long, come chat too much. So yeah, we are going to video right now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you, well, you're gonna see me, but I'll see you on another video, so you can go watch the video now. So I'm out for now.
I see trees of green, red roses too.
We're in the kitchen now. But the first, let me tell you now, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a proper breakfast meal today. You know? So, how to cook a proper breakfast meal? You know? You have to make sure that the plates are washed. No dirty plates are in the sink. Stove wipe off, properly wipe off, and kitchen well sweep out, and all of that good stuff. Well, I made sure to clean the kitchen last night, so in the morning now we just get to work. Same way. See me? So right now I have my mackerel right here, so, and the flour I use put make the fritters. So we have fritters and something mackerel on the menu today. And one more thing of planting is in. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna be starting with today is the fritters. So first thing you want to do, like, get some salt, make sure it's not fresh. I want to put too much there, okay. We put more, right? What I always do is to mix to get all the flavor blending in it. So we're going to put some, like, make our centerpiece. I'm going to put some water in this right here and stir it. To make sure that the lumps in this are not, take out lump and things. So the lumps like these, crush them out to the side, make sure they're not in it when you mix. you go. Make sure you're clean. So at the end, you know, you have no big cooking for the. You know, you really have no big cleaning for the, isn't it? So guys, right, I'm going to put on the pot on it too. I'm gonna put in the island thing. Alright, this one. Put in the oil. And wait for the oil to be hot, and in the meanwhile I'm going to be putting up the seasoning to cook the mackerel. So at the moment the oil should be finished, so now I'm going to now put this in the pot. Guys, that process basically repeats over and over with the fritters. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want this part of the video to be too long, so let's just get right into it and just finish up what we have to do in the kitchen right now, because it's not easy vlogging and cooking at the same time. Let me show you the proper way how to scramble an egg. First, you crack the egg. Second, you season the egg. Third, then you stir the egg. Yes, that's basically it. And if you already know how to scramble the egg, like and the last step, yeah, you throw the egg in the pot after you season it and mix it and everything. Just stir the egg in the pot, throw the egg in the pot, and then stir. You don't need any oil enough, because that is a tip. Stir it, and then yeah, scrambled egg, the best scrambled egg in the world. Full time. That's good now. Like the kitchen never like me today. I everything will splash up for me. come back strong. Fight it. In the kitchen, you see, I took the seasoning, I got up the onion and scallion, and threw it in the pot to cook the mackerel, right? And I put it in the pot. It's like I did the flame is too high or something. And every one of the scallion, Americans would call it a scallion, and every piece of it just fly up in the air, and the onion just got burnt same time. Life. Anyway, people, don't really have anything much in my day to share. Just a little. Put this man cook. I'm gonna do later. But my day boring and I'm gonna stay with me. About school though. Just a few days ago I heard that today is September 28th. 29. Today is September 29. And I heard that firstly, before this whole COVID-19 thing, school was supposed to reopen in the next 2 weeks, and that 2 weeks turned into 2 months, then to 4 months, then to 6 months. It just keeps going, man. They have announced that school should be reopened on October 5, and they cancel it again. Don't know the date now. Yeah, you see me cook
spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
and everything else. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Very, very important. You can help build this channel. I'm trying my best to create videos for you guys. It's not easy creating videos, but I still try. And at the same time, I'm focused on school. Why? It's rough, but I still try the effort to push out the videos so you guys can watch, and at the same time enjoy. So yeah, hopefully we get a release date for school reopening again. I've heard that Jamaica now has about 6,000 cases. Don't know, cause I don't really keep track of those things. It's not going to help me in any way. Subscribe if you made it to the end of the video. Just wanted to know I appreciate you. Never have to be here, I know. Never have to create the video, but I still try, and I appreciate you. So yes, guys, well, come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for another banger video. Remember to subscribe and turn your post notification bell on. That's very important. Comment what you would like me to do next in the next video. Cook some more food, what you like, challenges, when I get the chance to, anything, just tell me. Comment down below, cause I will do it. I will try my best to do it. So yeah, if I ever next year, I will do it. I have a book full of ideas, so I'll put that book idea in the book, and I get to it when I get the chance. So hope you guys enjoyed. Follow my Instagram, gonna be on the screen. I'm out. See you guys next time.
I know your face is supposed to show on the food.
And talk. You people.